Hello, welcome to my presentation of the importance of loops. I am Cadet Cho. I am in SC 370 at the United States Military Academy, which is Computer Aided Systems Engineering. And today I'm going to talk to you about the usefulness of loops within VBA code. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of ActiveX buttons that pull hockey data from various years. And so if we look at the code associated with this, we'll see that this is a web query. So what it does is it goes online and it pulls from this URL defined here, and it pulls the information requested. In this case, it's goals. And what I want to do is I want to pull the number of goals from 2001 to 2014. So I'm going to use a loop for this. To understand how to use a loop in VBA code for something such as a URL, first you have to understand where the loop will be implemented. So if you look at the URLs, the only difference between the URL from pulling data from a table, which is what the web query is in the VBA code, the only difference in years is this right here, 2014, 2013. So knowing this, and go back and take a look. So this pulls the information from the URL, and what I want to do is set up where otherwise the year would be. We set up a variable to ensure that you pull from every year and not just one specific year. So how you do that is you come up here and you use a for a loop. So our x variable in this case is it's for 2001 to 2014 because that's the years that we wish to pull. And so then for that we have our variable x inserted here within the URL. You might be looking at the array example, and this is just another variable put in for goals. However, it's only goals, so it's from 0 to 1 for I, which is another variable that we use, and that's another loop, but it only pulls one data point, so it's not truly a loop within the VBA code. So then once you have your for set up, you run your table, which pulls all the data. You have to end the loop with next. So here we have next I, and there's only one I, so it keeps the I, but then it goes next x. So it pulls from 2001 x, which is this year within the URL, all the way to 2014. So the only change in the URL requested to pull information from and paste it onto the spreadsheet is the year. It's the only variable. So we're going to go ahead and give it a try now. Take this out of design mode. I'm going to pull goals from 2014. As you see, it's going online to the URL starting at 2001, and it's continually pulling the data all the way to 2014. So you can see the loop in action. And, this can be very effective if you can understand what you must loop through data in order to pull information from any kind of website. It's a very useful tool. It's a very simple tool, but if you know how to use it, it can save a lot of time when you're data mining. So this concludes my presentation. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it's been useful. Once again, I'm Cadet Cho. Thank you very much.